Hi, it's Jackie from So Bright Creations. I'm going to show you how to make fire starter out of dryer lint. It is so easy, it literally takes minutes. You can do it with your kids. It's a great activity for Girl Guides. We did it with our local group here and it was fun. Watch this video all the way to the end because I got a bunch of tips for you on different ways to make fire starter.
I grabbed a bunch of dryer lint and then I put it into a cardboard egg carton. Don't worry about all the pet hair and stuff like that. It burns really good. And then you're going to grab a tea light, take it out, remove the wick, and put the wick in the center of each egg compartment. I used an old pot and put it on the stove on low and melted the tea lights. Very carefully, because the wax is really hot, you're going to pour it over the dryer lint in the egg carton. I would recommend putting a piece of cardboard or something like that underneath because it does leak through a little bit. Once it's cooled completely, and then you can cut it all up. So per egg carton, you will have 12 new fire starters.
You see how I got the wick in there? You can just use paraffin wax and not the tea lights, and you don't need to put a wick. So a wick definitely isn't necessary. If you don't have a wick, then when you go to light it, you just light the corner of this and it works perfectly fine. If you don't have a lot of dryer lint, I mean, who doesn't not have dryer lint? But if you don't, you can use sawdust. That's also a great alternative.
I wanted to just test it out and see how long the fire starter would burn for without any other fuel. And it took a couple seconds to get going, but then it just really took off and it burned for quite a while. My 8-year-old made some too, and she also learned how to start a fire.
Now go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more before I get on fire.